Hi everybody, hello. Tell me in the comments down below if you see this guy. What part of the video do you see this guy? Comment down below, okay? Comment down below. Comment. Good to see you again. So today I will be, people do when they leave they put GoPros on top of their dogs and they leave, but they watch them on the cameras and stuff. So I'm gonna be doing that today, but a bit different, So I don't really have any animals as dogs or cats, or any types of pets. So I'm just going to use my play pets. So just my dog. Yeah, it's pretty stupid, but yeah. Okay, well, I'll get the camera set up. See you later. Actually, see you in 2 seconds, or 1 second for you. Cue the elevator music. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, hi everybody. I am back. Well, from the elevator music probably, but I'm here with all the pets. Well, now all of them, but I've got a couple cats over there, 3, and then I've got 3 dogs. 3 dogs here. I'll move in the cats a bit more. So I've got 1, 2, and 3. 3 cats, and 3 dogs. Okay. So, now I am going to be, I decided to add in this light to make sure it would be nice and light in there for you guys to see, because I did it without the light and it was way too dark, and yeah, it didn't end very well. So I'm gonna just set the light up. Sorry, you still didn't get to see the elevator music too long, but there we go. Okay, see you in about, I don't know, a couple seconds. Well, let's see if anything happens. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. Okay, I'm back now. Let's see what footage we got. Let's see the edge. That's not me praying, by the way. That's my foot going across here. Let's see. Well, let's see the footage. I know. You were just gonna say you make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And I hope you like the video. Bye. Well, not bye. I'm bad at this. When you're saying, yeah, you should probably, I should stop saying this anything anymore.